Okay, today's topic is peer group.
Positive points of peer group is boost our
Peer group mean the group of same age, same society, same background. Peer groups it is both positive and negative behavior is depends on how we use it,
and it is a play a major role in individual life.
Gentlemen, peer group improve our confidence and emotional support and social activities like skill social.
टेस्ट नंबर 7, आपके पोजेस बहुत ज़्यादा थे, मतलब आप कुछ बोलने के बाद में आप बहुत टाइम ले रहे थे अगेन दूसरे स्टेटमेंट स्टार्ट करने में. नरेशन वॉज गुड, आई कॉन्टैक्ट वॉज प्रॉपर, बॉडी लैंग्वेज वॉज गुड. अगर पूरा ग्रुप परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहा है और आप फिर भी बार बार आप बोलते हैं तो समहाउ वो डोमिनेशन में आ जाता है. फैक्ट्स बोले थे लेकिन कंटेंट और अच्छे से आप बोल सकते थे, जो आपकी नॉलेज से आप और अच्छे से बोल सकते थे.
कंक्लूजन में बार बार कंक्लूजन कहने की जरूरत नहीं होती. देखो राइटिंग की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ तो थोड़ा राइटिंग इंप्रूव कर लीजिएगा कि आपने प्रॉपर शीट का फॉर्मेट यूज़ किया है. तो बहुत अच्छा है, आप एक ऐसी सीट बना के लेकर आएँ जैसे कि आपको वहाँ पर मिलेंगी. हेलो एवरीवन, एक बार फिर से आप सभी का एक और मॉक ग्रुप डिस्कशन के अंदर स्वागत करते हैं. तो आज एक और हमारे यहाँ पे मॉक जो है ग्रुप डिस्कशन होने वाला है, जो कि आप लोगों के सामने ग्रुप जो देख पा रहे हैं ये पूरा का पूरा ग्रुप है जहाँ पर डिस्कशन होगा. बहुत सारे मॉक से आप लोगों को हमने गाइड किया है कि किन किन चीज़ों का आप लोगों को ध्यान रखना है. हालांकि मॉक तो सिमिलर है लेकिन गलतियाँ अलग अलग हैं, फीडबैक अलग अलग हैं, और यही हम चाहते हैं कि आप इन मॉक्स को देखें. आप लोगों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिल रही होंगी. तो चलिए आज देखते हैं कि क्या कुछ खास, क्या कुछ स्पेशल रहने वाला है और क्या क्या चीज़ आपको नई इसमें सीखने को मिलेंगे. अपने वैल्यूबल कमेंट सेक्शन में ड्रॉप जरूर कर दीजिएगा. चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind. How are you all? Fine. All of you had your lunch? Yes. Okay. So today we are going to assess your group discussion. Your group discussion is divided into 3 parts. The very first one will be the assessment of your sheet. You will be given 2 sheets. One will be rough sheet and the second one will be fair sheet. You will be given 5 minutes and there will be a voice clip audio that will be played there. But as of now, Samsa will be narrating the topic. The topic is peer group and he will be narrating the topic for 3 to 5 minutes. All of you have to write in your rough sheet. Then you will have 10 minutes to rewrite the same content in the fair sheet and that will be checked. Fair sheet will be checked by the assessors. Okay. Then after completion of your fair sheet written part, then you can submit the sheets. You will come to the narration part. Once test number 1 will start his narration, he will introduce himself including the points, name, his qualification and hobbies. Only these 3 things you have to cover in your today's introduction part. Then he will have 20 to 25 seconds for intro part. Then rest of the time, for example 30 to 35 seconds he will be having for his topic narration. Once he complete his narration, then second test number 2 is there. He will start his narration. Don't ask for R validation. Just start once the earlier test number before you has finished his part. Test number 13, once he complete his narration, all of you will wait for further R information to you that you should start your group discussion or not. Then when we will give permission to the start, then all of you need to participate in group discussion. Make sure your voice is clear, confident and do not interrupt, do not disagree without any reason. All of you need to participate in your group discussion. Your voice should be clear and firm. Your posture should be right. Your eye contact should be proper. And make sure that you are here in a disciplined environment so maintain the decorum of the things. Rest is then conclusion part. If you are not given permission from here, do not start concluding the topic. Once the conclusion is done, we will give you the feedback of your written assessment and the individual narration and GD part as well. Got it?
Yes, sir. Okay, today's topic is peer group. A peer group refers to a group of people who are of a similar age, background, interest or social status. Okay, so now you have 10 minutes to write down your thoughts on fair sheet. Your time start now. Okay, collect the sheet and pass to the next candidate.
Okay, so all of you have completed your written part now. So let's move to the next task, that is your individual narration. Test number 1 will start his narration including the introduction. He will cover his name, his qualification and his hobbies. Each one of you have to follow the same pattern of your intro part. Then you can start your narration of the topic. Once he completes his narration, test number 2 himself will start his narration. Once he complete, make sure the person who is speaking or who is narrating, he will be looking towards each one of you, making a proper eye contact to the group and to the whole group, you have to make a proper eye contact with the person who is speaking. Not even one person should be looking here to the officers. Mark this word. Okay. Once test number 13 complete his narration, you will wait for further our declaration that you should start your discussion or not. Then you will start your discussion. Each one of you should participate in your group discussion with clear and firm points, with proper body language and proper eye contact. Never get one-to-one in your group discussion part. Never go for disagreeing with the facts. Boost the morale up for each other, whosoever is not speaking. Okay. So you can start your narration now. Test number 1.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Krishna Kumar Mahato. I have completed class 12th with science from State Board. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. Now I would like to tell about the topic which is assigned to us, a peer group. A peer group refers to a similar age of people and a student for study and other activities, and boost our confidence, emotional support and social skills. They also have both positive and negative points of a peer group. Then positive points of peer group is boost our confidence, emotional support and other activities. And negative points of peer group is like low confidence, low smoking alcohol and drinking alcohol. Now further we will discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Ravindra Kumar. I have completed my 12th class from the Center Board. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. Now come on the topic which is assigned to us, peer group. Peer group mean the group of same age, same society, same background. Peer group motivates us towards our goals and important real life achievements. It is both positive and negative aspect. We will talk about positive aspect. Positive aspect is peer group can also motivate us towards our academics, motivates us towards our goals, and it increase our confidence among the peoples and increase our communication skills. It also has some negative points. Negative points are drinking alcohol are the major problem in the peer groups. Negative peer groups can influence towards some illegal activities like cybercrime or etc. and bullying. And in conclusion, peer groups, it is both positive and negative behavior, is depends on how we use it. Thank you. Further we will discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Aryan Pal. I passed class 12th from UP board. My hobby is playing cricket and reading books. Now let's come into the topic which is assigned to us, peer group. Peer group refers to a group where same age people and background same and social status, and it is play a major role in individual life, and it has both positive and negative aspects. If we talk to positive effect, like it promotes to gender equality and social awareness and motivate our confidence boost and helps in skill development, and if we talk to negative aspects, that it leads to negative aspect like smoking, drinking and illegal activity and abuse. It is totally depend on us to how is youth is it, and if we have a good peer group so totally depend on us, and thank you. Further we will discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I passed 12th class with PCM, and currently I passed graduation from Raja Mahendra University, Aligarh. And my hobbies are playing cricket and do gym. Now moving towards my topic which is assigned to me. My topic is peer group. Peer group is a group of friends, peoples who are the similar age, backgrounds and think. It can be positive and negative. Positive peer group encourages good habits like studies and hard work in many fields. And positive peer groups boost our confidence and remove shyness and hesitation. And sometimes we provide financial supports and emotional supports. Negative peer groups provide negative peer group encourage bad habits like smoking, drinking and abusing. Sometimes it creates violation among peoples and it destroys family relationships. Further I will discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Himanshu. I have completed my 12th with PCM from AP board. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. Now let's come on topic which is assigned to us, peer group. A peer group same age and background influencing each other's. Friends and classmates are part of our life peer group, and peer group are play important role in our future life and positive effect of peer group. Peer group is a develop social skills and teamwork, confidence, etc. And in peer group is a part of our life and negative effect. Peer group is unhealthy habits like smoking, drinking, and rash driving creates unnecessary competition and comparison. Thank you. I will discuss in GD.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Mayank Rathore. I have completed my 12th with PCM from UP board. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading novels. Now let's come to the topic which is assigned to us, peer group. Peer group is a group of same age and similar personality that can affect our life and schooling life. And peer group gives me academic help and emotionally support. If we can choose a good peer group, that can be cause of our success, and then we can choose a bad peer group that can be cause of failure. It is totally depends us. We can choose our group without thinking that is not good for our life. And bad peer group like giving habits like alcohol, smoking, and cigarette like bad habits. Further, I will discuss in GD. That is a wonderful topic.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Jitu. I have completed my 12th class from UP board and currently pursuing graduation from Agra College. My hobby are running and kabaddi. I want to go here and dear all friends, we are here to discuss the topic peer group. Peer group is a group of people who are similar age and interesting and background social status. Peer group is a play important role in behavior and choice and learning. And peer group supports emotional and sense of belonging. Peer groups promotes teamwork and leadership and qualities. Peer group create unnecessary cooperative and comparison and stress. Peer groups help in upcoming fear and agitation. Thank you. Further, I will discuss GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Himanshu Singh. I have completed my 12th with Central Board. Now my hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. Now let us come to the topic which is assigned to us. The topic is peer group. Peer group refers to the people who are of similar age, similar society and similar background. It plays an important role in shaping personality and behavior among individuals. It has some positive and negative aspects. If we talk about positive aspects, it promotes and provides emotional support and sense of belonging. It promotes leadership skills and corporate teamwork. It also boosts our confidence and leadership skills. And if we talk about negative aspect, it sometimes lead to the unhealthy habits like smoking, drinking and substance abuse, and it may sometimes lead to the unhealthy activities like groupism, exclusion and illegal activities. So the key is to choose right peer group. And that's all. This is a wonderful topic, and further I will discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ankush Raj. I completed my 12th from CBSE board. My hobbies are to create electronic projects. Now I would like to narrate the topic which has been assigned to us, peer group. Now you all are wondering what is peer group. Peer group refers to the group of people who are of similar age, similar background and similar caste. Now there are lots of benefits of peer groups, such as they provide emotional support and leadership qualities. They provide to being socially activity. There are lots of bad qualities of peer group, such as peer group leads to encourage in smoking. Also peer group encourage to illegal activities such as crime, cyberbullying, etc. According to the state, 70% of our youth has to influence by the peer group in fashion and etc. Thank you gentlemen for listening us. It is a wonderful topic. Further I will discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Puneet Chaudhary. I hail from Bulandshahr, UP. I have completed my 12th from State Board and currently I am pursuing graduation from State University. My hobbies are playing volleyball and reading book. I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. That topic is peer group. Peer group refers to the study of same age community and same class. Peer group promote the promote the confidence, boost leadership and mental health. In negative aspects of the peer group is peer groups reads the smoking, drinking and etc. According to the psychology, is peer group provides to the increase mental health and communication skills. Thank you, gentlemen. This is a good topic. Further, I will discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Anuj Dhakad. My name is Anuj Dhakad. I have passed class 12 from Rajasthan board. My hobbies are running and cycling. Today we have given the topic. The topic is peer group. Peer group refers to a group of similar age, background and social status. Peer group play an important role to shaping personality, behavior and choices. If we talk, peer group has both positive and negative aspect. Positive aspect, it leads to it boosts our confidence, removes shyness and hesitation. It provides emotional and financial support. Negative aspect, it leads to unhealthy habits like smoking, drinking, speaking classes, and sometimes may increases in illegal activities like cybercrime, trolling, etc. This is a wonderful topic. Further, I will discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Nanit Kumar Yadav. I have completed 12th with PCM. My hobby playing cricket and reading books. I would like to say something about the peer group. Peer group. What is a peer group? Peer groups refer to the group of people who lived in a same background and same age and same society. And it is important in our life because it boost our stamina and it's promote to support emotional support and sense of the skills and he's promote to the leadership and teamwork etc. Thanks. This is wonderful topics. Further I discuss in GD.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sam Sundar. I belong Ambedkar Nagar in UP. I have completed 12th with PCM from UP board. Now become the topic which is assigned to us. Peer group. Peer group refers a group of people with whom I spend a large of time. It affects our behavior, personality and decision making. It's both effect positive and negative. If I talking about positive effect, it is improve our communication skill, teamworking, management and etc. If I talking about negative effect, it is increase our bad habits like smoking, drinking. Thank you, gentlemen, for listening to me. That is a wonderful topic, but I will further discuss in GD.
Okay, all of you have done very well. So let's come to the second part, that is your group discussion part. Make sure that each one of you is participating in group discussion part. Put logical, practical and valid points. Do not interrupt unless it is required. Do not disagree with when it is not required. Give your points logically by cooperating each other. As this is group discussion, so group discussion is checking for your group effectiveness. How well you perform when you are in a group, your group coordination, and how effective you are if you are not getting fully confident when you are talking to the group. Okay? All of you can start your group discussion now.
Gentlemen, I would like to initiate the group discussion. Peer group play a major role in individual life. If we have good peer group, so it is totally personal growth, and 70% of youth it is use of bad habits, and it is totally wrong for youth.
Gentlemen, according to a report, around 70% of teenagers are influenced by their peer group to choose their lifestyle and career related options.
Just number 8, I appreciate your point, but I add one more point. The peer group is also create unnecessary competition and unnecessary comparison between us.
Peer group play an important role in shaping personality, behavior and choices.
Gentlemen, if you talk about five sides, it encourages good habits like study field and other many fields, and it removes shyness and agitation.
Gentlemen, some peer groups also leads to encouraging bad activities such as smoking, etc.
Peer group boost confidence, help in upcoming fear and agitation.
Gentlemen, peer group provide emotional support and sense of belonging and boost confidence and teamwork.
Gentlemen, peer group improve our confidence and emotional support and social activities like skill social.
Gentlemen, we can share our feelings without hesitation to our good peer groups. Then can help and supports our whole life. That's for good and our life.
Gentlemen, this is valid point, but I would like to add some important point here. That a good peer group improve our communication skill, teamworking, and etc.
Gentlemen, a right peer group can become a stepping stone to success, and a negative one can hinder our personal development.
Yes, number 8, I will agree with your point, but peer groups also leads to encouraging leadership quality and to being socially active.
According to the psychology, peer groups increase the mental health and social communication skills with the peer group.
Gentlemen, peer group also increase our learning new skills and communication skills.
Gentlemen, peer groups
Peer group promotes teamwork and cooperative and leadership quality.
Gentlemen, peer groups increase our confidence, and that is good for our goals, and we can success in our life.
Gentlemen, peer groups creates emotional support and sense of the skills and social abilities.
Gentlemen, it also plays an important role in shaping our behavior, personality, and overall development.
Gentlemen, peer group leads to unhealthy habits like smoking, drinking, and rash driving, and competition and comparison.
Gentlemen, it sometimes it creates violence among people and it destroys family relationship and friendship.
Gentlemen, lack of awareness and lack of proper guidance and among youth used to peer group in bad habits, and it is very wrong for our generation.
Peer group create unnecessary competition, comparison and stress.
The key is choose the right peer group. The right peer group can influence our life in a better way and brights our future. If we choose a wrong peer groups, it decreases our values.
Peer group provide emotional support and financial support. It increase our confidence, communication, and skills.
Peer group also provide the bad habits like smoking and drinking alcohol and unnecessary bullying and cyber crime.
If we have a bad peer group and youth distract our main goal and bad habits.
When the peer groups reads on roads harassing the women in the peer group.
Gentlemen, peer groups are important in our life because he learns us discipline and honors.
Gentlemen, bad peer groups create like accidents and teasing that women cannot save. Now we can choose a good peer group.
Gentlemen, it also contributes to our mental well-being and also reduces mental health problems like stress, anxiety, and etc.
Gentlemen, we should also give a chance to chest number 7.
Peer group provide emotional support and sense of belonging.
Chest number 7, I agree with you, but I would like to add some important point here. That is, a bad peer group leads our bad habits like smoking, drinking, and etc.
Gentlemen, it affected also mostly teenagers, so it is also parents responsible to understand their sons and childs.
So gentlemen, choose a good peer group is important for success life and discipline life.
A good peer group can also be a stepping stone of the life of the youth.
Gentlemen, peer groups reduce our anxiety, fears, etc.
Gentlemen, peer group play a major role in our life, so individual responsibility to choose the good peer group to personal growth and success our goals.
A peer group also boosts our leadership quality and communication skill in social life.
Gentlemen, we can choose a bad peer group, then we can give a leadership quality and create a good peer group.
Gentlemen, according to the stats, 70% of our youth are influenced by the peer group for their fashion and growth.
Gentlemen, if you have positive peer groups, so it help in overall social development.
It also helps to grow our society and also our nation and contributes to our mental well-being.
Okay, conclude the topic.
In conclusion, we can say that the peer group is an inevitable part of our life. The key is to choose right peer group, and right peer group can become a stepping stone to success, and a negative one can hinder our personal development.
In my conclusion, the peer group is a right way and a major part of our life. It increases our confidence and it decreases our the fear of hesitations, and it increases our also communicating skills and learning new skills.
In my conclusion, we part of modern lives, especially students here, and they can also super strong system and behavior change and choice and learning.
In my conclusion, if we have good peer group, and the peer group and the society and our country progress together.
In my conclusion, peer group is a part of our life. These are improve the mental health and improve the communication skills. In the negative aspects, the peer group is smoking, drinking, etc.
In conclusion, we can say that peer group play an important part in our daily life. So choose a good peer group is important for discipline life and success life.
Gentlemen, according to psychology, a good peer groups affect our mindset and thinking process. Then we can choose a good peer group that can affect our whole life, and upcoming generation can choose be a good peer group.
In my conclusion, a peer group has both positive and negative side. The positive side of peer group have boost our confidence, emotional support and communication skill. And a negative part of peer group is smoking, drinking and social abuse, unnecessary and cyber crime.
In my conclusion, peer group is the inevitable part of the life. If we choose the right peer group, it can be a stepping stone of the life.
Okay, stop everyone. This was it for group discussion. All of you have done very well. Let's come to the feedback part. Just number 1. आपकी वॉइस लो है. वॉइस अगर कम होती है तो उससे सीधी सीधी पता चलता है कि आप में कॉन्फिडेंस कम है. ठीक है, आप ग्रुप की तरफ पूरी तरह से अच्छे से आई कॉन्टैक्ट भी नहीं करे थे. आपको ग्रुप में इंडिविजुअल जो आपको विजिबल हैं प्रॉपर्ली, उनको तो एटलीस्ट एड्रेस करना ही है. ठीक है, जीडी में आपने 4 बार पार्टिसिपेट किया, लेकिन लास्ट में कंक्लूजन में आपने 2 बार बोला था कि पीयर ग्रुप का नेगेटिव इफेक्ट भी ये है कि उनके साथ कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ता है, हमारा कम्युनिकेशन भी होता है. और आपने दोबारा से नेगेटिव बोल करके फिर से नेगेटिव चीज़ें कि उनके साथ रह करके स्मोकिंग करने लगता है, वो चीज़ें. तो आपको ऐसा लगा हो कि आपने पॉजिटिव बोला और आपने वर्ड नेगेटिव बोल दिया था, तो आपको जो वर्ड यूज़ करे उसके लिए थोड़ा माइंडफुल होना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, अदरवाइज इट वॉज गुड. टेस्ट नंबर 2, योर वॉइस इज़ गुड, नॉलेज अच्छी आपके पास, कॉन्फिडेंट है, आई कॉन्टैक्ट अच्छा था, पोस्चर अच्छा था. टेस्ट नंबर 2 ने ग्रुप डिस्कशन के टाइम पे एक बार पॉइंट बोला था, कुछ ज़्यादा ही एक्सट्रीमली नेगेटिव हो गया था वो, लेकिन उन्होंने जब दोबारा बोला तो उसको न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया दोनों के बारे में. तो जब भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव अगर टॉपिक मिल जाता है तो कोशिश करना कि आप एक्सट्रीम स्टेटमेंट यूज़ ना करें, किसी एक तरफ बायसनेस ना दिखाएं. ठीक है, तो आपके जो स्टेटमेंट हो वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो. टेस्ट नंबर 3, योर वॉइस इज़ गुड, आई कॉन्टैक्ट इज़ नॉट प्रॉपर. आप वहाँ पे सामने देख नहीं पा रहे थे, आप ग्रुप के पैरों की तरफ देख रहे थे, तो आपको नीचे नहीं देखना है. अगर आप ग्रुप के साथ आई कॉन्टैक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो. ठीक है, बट यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, आपने अच्छा बोला है. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में आपने काफ़ी अच्छे पॉइंट्स दिए हैं. आप बाद में थोड़ा फंबल करना स्टार्ट कर दिए. टॉपिक जब इनिशियली करे थे, स्टार्ट करते अच्छे से करते, बट बाद में लास्ट तक आते आते फंबल करा था. ठीक है, जीडी में यू हैव डन वेल. चेस्ट नंबर और जीडी में आपने इनिशिएट भी करा था, दैट वाज आल्सो गुड. आपने 4 बार पार्टिसिपेट भी किया है. आप स्टक हुए थे चेस्ट नंबर 3, बट आप वापस आ गए थे ट्रैक पे, वो भी एक अच्छी चीज़ है. टेस्ट नंबर 4, आपने बोला था ग्रेजुएशन टाइम, मैंने क्वालिफिकेशन के बारे में बोला था कि आपको क्वालिफिकेशन बोलनी है. आपने 12th भी बोल दिया था और ग्रेजुएशन की भी बोल दी थी. तो आपको क्वालिफिकेशन में वो बोलना है जो आपकी लास्ट क्वालिफिकेशन है. अगर आप ग्रेजुएशन कर चुके हैं तो आप 12th नहीं बोलिए. ठीक है, वॉइस अच्छी थी, कॉन्फिडेंट थे, आई कॉन्टैक्ट, बॉडी लैंग्वेज, सब कुछ एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन. जीडी में आपने काफ़ी पार्टिसिपेट किया है, पॉइंट्स भी अच्छे दिए हैं. टेस्ट नंबर 5, आप स्टक हो गए थे, बट अगैन आपने विद परमिशन आपने दोबारा स्टार्ट कर दिया था. बट आपके साथ एक प्रॉब्लम है, आप वर्ड एडिटिंग करते हैं, आप कोई भी वर्ड पूरा तरीके से नहीं बोल पा रहे थे. आप स्टेटमेंट फॉर्मेशन नहीं करते हो, आप बस शॉर्टकट में वर्ड्स बोल देते हो, जिसके एटसेट्रा भी आप ठीक से नहीं बोल पा रहे थे. तो आपको सेंटेंस मेकिंग नहीं आता है.